Hello everyone. In this video I am going to share you that how we will access ievolve in ultimatix. So first you have to log in ultimatix, log in into ultimatix using your credentials, username, your employee ID, choose any of these method, either auth code or easy auth method. I choose easy auth. So let's see how our ultimatix looks like. So this is a window, that's our ultimatix login window. These are all the details that we will find into the ultimatix homepage. Now inside menu bar you have to go into menu bar. Inside menu bar you will find my services. Inside my services, when you scroll down you will find learning and collaborations. You have to click on learning and collaborations. Inside learning and collaborations you will find there, in the learning section you will find ievolves. Open this link. Okay, you have two portals. Either you will log in into the supervisor admin portal or learner portal. So I will tell you about learner portal. So let's launch the learner portal. So we all get it into the ievolve, from where you will find your all the mandatory courses, that which courses you have to done. So I will show you the all the 13 courses that you have to mandatory done after your first week of completion in joining TCS. I will show you. So these are all the information security awareness training, information security awareness quiz, data code of conduct, anti-bribery and corruption policy, safety first, national occupation healthy safe policy, environment policy, diversity and inclusion process, GDPR, WBT, data privacy, all these. There are 13 total courses that you have to be completed before being compliant. So it must be very important for any project allocation to be compliant. So do all these fast. Okay. So you will find all the answers of these 13 courses in my playlist. You will check out that playlist. Okay. If you have any query, then you will get to me and have comment on my comment section. So okay. So these are the four sections that we will find. Compliance status, it's always should be a relaxed. Competency profile, you should pro choose any competency in which you are expertise and get enrolled for that and have a text over it. ADC compliant, I will explain you about what the ADC compliance are. And course activities, these are the courses activities. It's seen that I haven't done any task from the 4 days, so this is the whole process you will have to follow. Okay. So this is all about this video. Hope you like. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you all, guys.